How we doing today, people? It's your boy Yancy Man back finally with another video. Today I'll be doing a unboxing and brief review of the Galaxy Fold Fold 3 5G and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Okay. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, and share this video. As always, I encourage you to drop your comments below, and I'll respond at my earliest convenience. Alright. So, you've seen my previous videos. You know, I've been carrying the first generation of the Galaxy Fold. I like this. Really intriguing to me was the keyboard. As you can see, I have large hands, big thumbs, so I needed the keyboard. Also the screen. I've been carrying, actually this is my second one. I damaged the screen on the first one, so I had to get another one. But this model is fragile compared to this model. I never upgraded to the Fold 2, which was a major upgrade. If you own a Fold 2, I wouldn't suggest a Fold 3. It's not that much of an upgrade. A few, maybe 5 major differences. But if you're coming from the 1 to the 3, major upgrade. From the processor to the front screen size, and a few other details I'm gonna get into once I set up the Z Fold 3. Alright, so box it, see what we get. First of all, for those of you who think I'm one of those YouTubers with bank, I'm not. I was able to purchase this Fold 3 through Samsung.com, and what I did was trade in my Fold 1, and I was able to get a $700 credit toward the purchase of the Z Fold 3. Alright, and all I did was pay the difference. And if you've seen the advertisement, you're getting $200 in credit toward other items. So they were out of the pen case. There's a case that fits on the Fold, and the pen slides in the back of it. I really wanted that, but they was out of it by the time I made my purchase. I was procrastinating, so. But I put that credit toward getting a new watch. So watch I had, the battery was dying again. Again, if you've seen in my previous video, you saw where I replaced the battery in my Galaxy Frontier GS3. But that battery had started dying again, and I didn't want to go through that, so I put that credit toward the watch. Which is also a hell of an upgrade. And this, I'll do a separate video on this, because it's very detailed. But yeah, I did that instead. I also got a 35-watt charger, which is not blazing fast considering the chargers out there on the market, but it was free, and wait for Samsung to send it. There was a back order on it. So anyway, Z Fold 3. Real quick, back of it. I guess y'all want the plastic off. Nothing like peeling off the plastic on a new device. I actually got this device 2 days ago. Mine came early for some reason on the 25th. But they were previously scheduled to be delivered on the 27th. So it's been sitting in the box, so I can wait to do this review and have time to actually fully set it up. And this is nice. Real nice. Very sleek. Real quick comparison. Let me take the case off of here. Let's see here. So as you can see, looks like the Fold 1 is, let's see, a little bit taller. Yeah, it is a little bit taller. Clearly the Fold 3 is significantly wider, by damn near an inch. Let's see. Yeah, a little under an inch. As far as thickness, a little bit. The Fold 3 looks a little bit thinner. As you can see, the cinnamon jack is on the same side, on the other side, and the buttons are on the same side. The volume buttons and the screen unlock. Okay. On the top, still got your dual speakers. Look like you have an extra mic on the Fold 3. And then on the bottom, again, dual speakers, Type-C charger, and mics as well. Okay. Clearly, this camera, on different angles, this camera is supposed to be invisible, but we'll see once I turn it on. But I like that they got rid of it instead of this notch here, which they also did. They also changed this on the Fold 2. It doesn't look like this at all. It looks more like this, but the camera is very noticeable on Fold 2 versus this camera is supposed to be up on the screen, but clearly we can see it. So we'll get into a little more. If you close it, if you can hear my son, he's currently playing the Call of Duty Vanguard. He's very loud. His door is closed and he's still loud. But anyway, as you can see, that looks the one is slightly thicker. Major bulge on the hinge here. See it right there. Samsung branding is moved. Let's see. This is a brush metal material in the back here, whereas this is glass. Yeah, this is glass all through and through. Yeah, I know. I've been having it in my pocket, so. But and I think that's about it physically for its comparison. Yeah, that's about it. Oh no. So on the front, you see the camera hairs on the side along with the speaker. I'm not sure where the speaker is on this one on the front. Maybe it's integrated in here. But we'll see. Alright. As far as what came in the box, you know, Samsung stopped sending out chargers. SIM eject tool. This should be, yep. Instructions. QR code. Galaxy Foldable device comes with additional perks. Scan the QR code. Discover exclusive benefits for the Z4 owners. Quick start guide. Don't need that. And cable. Type-C cable. Female to female end. Okay. And that's it. That's all you get if you buying this phone right out at $1,800. That's it. There's nothing under there. Back of the box, not a whole lot of information. Yeah, that's about it. So I already transferred most of my stuff over from the Z Fold 1, but I'm gonna double check, give it a chance to boot up, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. Real quick for those who want to see it, they still run that promo. So say from $8.99, and you see the mark down from $18.79, but they've actually went down $100 if I'm not mistaken since I bought mine. But as you can see, you had the option to buy it unlocked or locked to your carrier. I went with the unlocked option. 256 gig. Only thing about 256 gig, you only can get it in black. If you get the 512, or have it the other way around. Yeah, no, I have it the other way around. If you get the 256 gig, you get it in multiple colors. If you get the 512, as you can see, the only option is Phantom Black. So that's what I went with. Didn't matter to me because I'm probably gonna end up with about 20 different cases. But as you can see here, it's Phantom Green. I don't know if y'all can make that out with all the light on it. And then Phantom Silver, which is nice. But again, for me, it doesn't matter. I'm buying multiple cases. Actually, I'm gonna do a whole review on cases, different video. So only way you get it at that price, of course, if you got trade-in, as you can see. So I traded in. See, mobile phone, tablet, watch. I got a phone. I traded in a phone. Select the brand, Samsung. Device, as you can see, where is that? I think I passed it. So Z Fold 2, $900 if you're looking to upgrade. But like I say, me personally, on all the videos I've seen and the research I've done on my own, it's not worth it. Yeah, even that cracked, you get $590, so that's not bad. The Note 20 Ultra is actually a better fold. The camera is significantly better, so I would roll with that. I would say with my Note, unless you just, you know, want to jump into the folding game, but through and through, the Note's a better phone. Where's the Z Fold? That's interesting. So Z Fold trade-in credits went down to $650, but at the time, mine was $700. Interesting. Yeah, like I was saying, had a few technical issues. The price for the trade-ins have went down. I purchased my phone this past weekend, so within the weekend, or I guess a week, they've dropped about $50, look like it. Well, that could be a thing of they've already taken in too many trade-ins, so they started to lower the value on them. But that number was $700. So if you got one, you're thinking of making that trade, go ahead and do it, because next week it might be $600, might be $550. And as you can see, they take your devices cracked as well. So we're gonna go ahead and tap that one, $650 instant credit. No crack, startup, not on ban list. Mine is unlocked, so that's not an issue. No cracks, y'all saw that. So yes, agree. Then you get the what is this? Oh, choose your gift offer. Buds and lavender. I didn't want the buds though, because I'm content with using my the jelly beans, I call them. You saw my review on these. I'm content with those. So I skipped that on the buds. Actually, that wasn't even an option. The flip cover this is the one that was on back order, but when I tried to get it, it wasn't in stock. But I went a different direction anyway, because I wasn't crazy about the cover covering the front of my phone. You know, I like to be able to pick it up and just start using it from this screen, not having to flip back a whole nother cover. I wasn't interested in that, but I did want the pen. I also ordered the pen and a couple of sleeves for it. I'm gonna do a separate video on that as well, to show you how you can carry the S Pen with your Z Fold without actually having to have this case. This case is a convenience for some people, but not for me. I don't like the flip covers. I like to be able to pick it up and just do what I need to do without flipping back another color. All right, but you pick one of these, or I guess it look like getting both. I seriously doubt it's both. But let's see, we'll go with that. Okay. It's gonna come with device care. Should be free for 1 year. That's different as well. So with mine, I got free for 1 year. That's your option to finance. I didn't. I paid my total balance. But you know, there's the options there. And you can see with the trade in, there's your total. So I'm gonna hit continue. Of course, they're gonna offer you different deals and coupons and discounts and whatnot. Of course, I'll tell you I went with the watch. Let's see what it costs now. So, whoa. Yeah, the watch prices increased because I didn't pay that much. So now the total will be $14.91, and this is, man, this is nice. So you get the buds this time. I didn't get the buds, and they're giving you the case. But what I did notice, they didn't offer the $200 like they did with mine, which I put toward the watch. I prefer to have over anything. So what they're doing, so it's minus $50 credits from last week on this. The phone actually went down $100. The Spotify, the Sirius, the Sirius XM stream, you get that free with any purchase, and the YouTube Premium for 4 months. But they added the buds, and they added that case. That's nice. But my subtotal was not that high. So, pick your poison. Anyway, that actually went too long. I just wanted to show y'all how you can go through that and make the purchase for the trade-in. Okay. To the device. Brushed metal material all the way around. Glass on the front. Like I said, the front screen is significantly bigger. Pop off the case and show you what I mean. Look at that. That's crazy, right? They had all this real estate, but they chose to give you this section to work with. So, keeping the case on until I trade it in. I don't want to crack it because, of course, you saw that'll drop my trade-in value. But I was able to copy everything over real easy. Just hooked in the USB cables. I was able to type over, copy everything over, even on the inside screen. Flip it open. Of course, it looked a little different, but yeah, except for the background, it's not a major loss. But my tabs, everything is still the same. All right. Real easy. Give or take how much you got on your phone or your current device. Took me about an hour to transfer everything over between videos, pictures, and apps. So everything's in the same spot. Alright. Like I said, this was been a quick unboxing. I'll get into the details once I get my cases in, once I get my S Pen in, and we'll do an in-depth review. Alright. Like, share, subscribe on video, please. Go back and watch some of my older videos. It's your boy Yancey, man. I'm out.